The compressor is the core component of a car air conditioning system. When the air conditioning is turned on, the piston of the compressor moves back and forth continuously to strongly compress the refrigerant, turning it into a high temperature and high pressure gas. The gas dissipates heat and cools down in the condenser and turns into a high pressure liquid. Then, the refrigerant is filtered to remove impurities and moisture. After that, the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant drop rapidly through the expansion valve. The low temperature refrigerant enters the evaporator, absorbs the heat inside the car, and finally, cold air blows out from the air outlet. If the air conditioning stops cooling, check the refrigerant first.